Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the fastest option. Let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, because first of all, as you may noticed, we did not have the serial number of this device in this pop-up view window. And the second way, the second reason why to use the second way is that because sometimes maybe the secret code won't work, but thanks to the second way you will still be able to check the info. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, About Device, and now let's scroll down to the status. And as you can see, right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and here also under the Bluetooth address we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.